Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. I'm working with the gorgeous February 2021 kits, and today is product focus day, and we are focusing on the big chipboard frames by Simple Stories. And to be honest, I had a hard time to find a clever way to use these frames. So the task for the design team was to alter or use these frames in a clever way. So I needed to think about that for quite a while, but then I thought I would go with some kind of a string art piece that I would hang up on my wall to add some paper snippets, some tickets on it with some clips, And so I thought I would go with that idea for my layout, and I grabbed some light turquoisey colored elastic band to wrap around the frame, and I totally love how this is looking. Now I grabbed a picture from me and my little one when we was out for a little adventure last year, right before the huge COVID-19 lockdown time began, and we just had a great time, and yeah. And the colors are also matching my project today. As you can see, I only grabbed pieces in blue, green, turquoisey, and yellow. And I also did some fussy cutting on the gorgeous rainbow paper by Echo Park. I grabbed some Pink Fresh Studio flowers, and now I'm looking into the other stuff, and I really had a hard time to finish this layout. I wanted to stick lots of little pieces onto my string art frame, and you can see I'm trying to do it, but in the end, I don't know, it was not working like I wanted, and so I would change a few things. And first I'm cutting off the giant paper clip from that gorgeous wood grain chipboard frame. Oh my. And I layered the gorgeous pocket life card into half. I added some staples, and now I will just go with a smaller cluster of paper on the right side. And I wanted to use these flowers, but I couldn't find the perfect place, and so I will not use them. But I will also bring in some leaves. And here I was thinking about a bigger title, but I don't know. It was not looking right to me. And so I peeled everything off, and I started over again. But I stick to the same frame and the same papers, as you can see, but I changed the arrangement, and I sticked that word today under the wood grain frame. And I totally love that the word is nearly covered up, but you can totally still read what it's saying. And I grabbed a dark green speech bubble from the Pink Fresh Studio Circle chipboard stickers, some of the fussy cut rainbows, and now I'm looking into the puffy stickers by Simple Stories. I also added one of the drinking cups with a straw and the little heart on it. The heart was pink, and so I just cover it up with a yellow chipboard heart. And these are the gorgeous watercolor stickers, but in the end, you can't really see them. I believe I will peel one of the darker yellow ones up from the paper. I don't know. It was not looking right on that spot, and so I will skip that part. These are the clear stickers, but I will not use any of them. I don't know. I was not happy with the way the layout came together, but in the end, I love the page for sure. So now I'm fiddling around with some little details, some hearts. And I believe, yeah, I took another break, and you can see I added some green leaves just because of the green speech bubble from Pink Fresh, and because of the green ray in the rainbows. I needed to bring in some more green, and these Pink Fresh Studio paper leaves had just the perfect color. And here was, I covered up a little red area that was peeking out from behind on the chipboard frame. And so I stuck that dark blue heart on top. And yeah, now everything is fine. Yeah, grabbing my hot glue gun to get everything on my paper, and then I am nearly done. I will just finish the gluing part, and then I will also bring in some journaling lines, and I will grab the puffy stickers, the colored puffy stickers from Pink Fresh Studio for my title or for another word. And I will also bring in some animal dots. And in the end, I totally love how the chipboard frames worked on that layout, but they are so big and I really needed to think about them. But that's what these kind of a design team challenges are for, just to think in a different way over the projects you get in the kits. And so I really love how the string frame thing looked on that paper. And I was also thinking about mixed media, but I'm totally happy that I didn't add anything, because I really love the clean and simple look of it. And yeah, I'm just happy about everything here. So now I'm just bringing in some animal dots in yellow, green, and in green and light blue and yellow. Yes, so. And next to that, I'm just adding my journaling lines and writing the word adventure with the little puffy alphas, and then I am done. So you will get some close-ups and some final pictures at the end. And thank you so very much for stopping by. And I really hope you are inspired to use your chipboard frames in a different way. And I can't wait to see what you will make. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I wish you all the best. Talk to you soon, and bye.